Hi friends, welcome back to Tanusha's kitchen. Today's special is cabbage sandwich. This is very healthy sandwich and very simple and tasty recipe. For this we need cabbage. The cabbage is very important. I have took one small cabbage, that is 250 grams, 1 cup. And this is carrot. I have took one carrot. How we will grate the carrot? In the same procedure we have grated the cabbage. We can grate this also for the fried rice. And I have kept one pan to heat. We are going to not use oil, ghee or butter. Okay. Now we should, if the pan is heated, let us fry the veggies. You can add any veggies that you need like beans, capsicum and etc. But the cabbage should be added. I am using here only cabbage and carrot. You can add, but the cabbage should be added. Now I have took a small cabbage only. At your family members you can take the cabbage. Now I have took a one small cabbage only. That is enough for us. Now I have added the cabbage. This is a very important ingredient in the sandwich. Now I have added the carrot also. Now let us mix this well. Now after mixing this for 1 minute, let us add the green chili. I have took a 4 green chilies. It looks very colorful like white, green and orange. And let us mix this till it fries. We should not overcook the veggies. Let us fry this now. Now if you'll see, after cooking for 50% the water is reduced. Now let us fry this. We should not add oil or water also to fry the veggies. It will only fry. Now 85% it have fried. It have reduced full water and it have dried. Now after in this stage we should flame in the high. We should make it little crispy, not overcooked, just more little we should cook. Okay, let us cook this. We should make this high, medium, high, medium, high, medium, like that we should be doing. Okay, now again we should make medium, again high, medium, high. Let us be making and fry this. Now let us flame off, but no, not in this stage. We should add the salt required. I have used a 1½ spoon. It have fried 100% more little. I am going to cook for just 30 seconds. I will show you. Now it is ready. Now let us flame off it and leave it for 2 minutes. That's it. After 2 minutes, we should add in this 2 ingredients, that is eggless mayonnaise. You should always use in the sandwich eggless mayonnaise. I will give you all in the description box that we have done in the previous video 2 sandwiches, that is potato sandwich and tomato sandwich. If you all need that recipe, I'll give the link in the description box. I have used here 2 spoons of eggless mayonnaise. You don't think that is 4 spoons. I have added off like that only. After adding, I am going to add 3 spoons of chili flakes. Why are you using 3 spoons of chili flakes? Because this will be in the veggies. I have not used it. We have only used less green chili, so that if we add this, it will give us a good hottest spice. So it will be awesome. We should add eggless mayonnaise only. See, I have showed here, this is eggless mayonnaise. Not only this brand, you can use any brand which you will get. Now I am going to assemble the sandwich. So that I have took 1 slice of cheese. I am using a processed cheese, which cheese you all want, you can use. Now let us add the stuff. I'm going to use 2 or 2.5 spoon of stuff. If you all like this video, please like to my video and try this and comment. Now after spreading the stuff, we should keep 2 onion slices. Why we are keeping onion slices? We are using here cheese and mayonnaise. We should get digest, right? So that we are using here. If you all don't like raw onion flavor, you can fry it little and you can add, but sure you should add the onion so that you will digest the sandwich. Okay, now the assemble is ready. Now let us fry. I'm not using your oil. I'm seeing that pan is heated or what. I've added little water to check, and I'm going to keep the sandwich on it, and I'm going to flip this after 2 minutes. I'm using here small so that I'm keeping on low flame. If you'll use a big pan, you can do in high flame also. See how it have cooked. We should do this very crispy because the veggies is there inside, right? So it should be very crispy only. Now I'm cutting this. It is crispy, and the onion, the cheese have become like a cream. Wait, I will show you all. Please try this recipe. This is a very healthy recipe, and this is a very easy morning breakfast and evening snacks for children. See how is the cheese melted and the cabbage, carrot, everything is done. See how good it is, right? So please try this. This is a very healthy sandwich, right? So give a like to my video. See how tasty it looks. You also try and taste this and tell me in the comment. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Turn the bell icon to get all the post notification. Thanks for watching me. Till the next video. This is